Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova to Lite. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate sticks and triggers. In the beginning, set the triggers to their long travel distance, which means switch this button to the left. Now hold View button, Settings button and Home button simultaneously to enter calibration mode. The Home button will flash light slowly. At this point, push both sticks all the way to their limits and rotate them 2-3 times. Now, press both triggers fully down 3 times. And in the end, press A to confirm calibration. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.